everybody. Today we are going to the next chapter. So we will jump chapter 9 first. Chapter 9 we will go through that after we go back to the school. So now we will go on to chapter 10. So let's start 10.1 today. So in this part we are going to learn three angles relation which related on straight lines. Okay? So the first one, so there are three angles A, B, C. So they are surrounding at the center points. Okay, so let's get what's the sum of it. So there are three angles. So we will call it as the angles at a point. So the point is the center one. Okay, point is the center one. Okay, second one, two angles on a straight line. So these two angles, they are stay with each other. So A is the neighbor of B, okay? And also B is also the neighbor of A. So in English we call it as adjacent angles. 咁中文就叫鄰角。So on the straight line, so this is the straight line, okay? So you guess, so what is the sum of these two angles? So lastly is called vertically opposite angles. So there are two pairs of vertically opposite angle. The first pair AB, second pair CD. So in Chinese 對頂角. That means again also we have a center point and then a two angle opposite with each other. So we call vertically opposite each other. So you guess, is that A and B are equal and C and D? So today we're going to talk about these three relations. First one A, so it's 148.9 degree. Second one B is 89.2. Last one is 121.9, the three angles. So let's see what's the sum of it. So we see, add them together equal to 360, okay?
360 degrees. So if I change to another one, so you can see whatever angles I have, the sum of them always equal to 360 degrees, okay?
Just like a round angle. So you still remember for the round angle is equal to 360 degrees. All right? Okay. So let's move on to the second one. This is straight line. So straight angle. So straight angle is 180 degrees. Okay. So also I use this one to show you. All right. Okay. So there are first one, the green one A 102. So and the orange one is 77.5. Okay. So if we add them together, equal to 180.
So again, whatever I change, maybe this one 129.3, 50.7, always equal to 180. All right.
So you just remember all the angles add together on a straight line. The sum of it is always equal to 180. Okay, add these two together. If I have three, always, okay, 1, 2, 3. Add these three angles together, also equal to 180 because they are on a straight line. So for this, we will call it as adjacent angles on. Okay, this one will be on. Okay, on the straight line. Okay, so the last one, let's see the green pair. So it's also equal to 55.8. And then the second pair also equal to 124.2.
So if I change it, so you can see 66.4 green pair, 113.6 orange pair. So if I change, you see also 129.4 green pair, 50.6. So it always equal, all right?
We must have the straight line, okay? These two, they are straight line. They are straight lines. I give you another one. Like this. So is these two the same? So of course you can see actually B is greater than A, all right? So please pay attention if this one is not straight line, these two are not equal, okay? One is greater, okay? They are not equal. So this is called vertically opposite angles. All the steps. Okay, second one, add them together equal to 180, so straight line, this one straight, okay? It's called adjacent angles on straight line. So this is the short form of this word. So this is the short form. This one short form ST, the short form. Last one is called vertically opposite angle. So this is the short form. So the first word vertically. So this is a short VRT, opposites. Opposite, the short form is OPP. We must have two straight line. They must be straight line. All right. Yeah, this and this. So the first pair is 120 and 70 plus y. All right. So that is the first pair. Okay, and then here we need to support with the reason. This is a pair of vertically opposite angles. So the answer for y is 50. For x here, so x we see that is a straight line here, straight line AOB, add together equal to 180. Okay?
20 plus x equal to 180. So the reason we need to support it right beside it. So the answer is 60.
Okay, our second one. So second one. Okay, there are three straight line, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so for straight line, that means we can spot out some pair of vertically opposite angles. Okay, so find P. So P is here. So on this figures, the three angles, they are on three angles. They are not on the same straight lines. So we need to care about the real relation. Okay, the real relation. Okay, the real relation. So here we need to work out steps, and you can't just write like this. So some of you may work like this: 170 plus 60 plus b is equal to 180. So it is wrong. If you work like this directly, it's wrong. So we need to first of all spot out a pair of vertically opposite angles. Actually, there are three pairs. This is 60, this is p, and this is 70. So do we need to spot out the three pairs? A equal to
60, B equal to 70, C equal to P. Can we write this? But if we write like this, it's a little bit troublesome because we need to use angles and points, right? So it will become too long, alright?
So don't use it. So don't use it. One pair, maybe this one. So I want to say for this angle. So you have two ways to say for this angle. So this angle, we can say as angle DOF, angle FOD, or a small angle. Let it, okay? Just right here. So we can use A. So A equal to 70 degrees. So this is vertically opposite angles. And then secondly, I will take care of the straight line AB. That means add these three angles together.
So 60 plus A plus P equal to 180. Adjacent angle.
Okay, so and then next pull in the 70 to here. So which is 60 plus 70 plus
P equal to 180. So P 180 minus these two add together is 130.
So the answer is 50. Okay.
I use this one like B, so or you can use the full name of the angle. So angle DOB equal to P. So vertically opposite angles, and then we consider straight line CD. That means these three angles add together. So which is 70 plus P plus 60 equal to 180. So the reason is again this one adjacent angle on straight line, and then P equal to 180 minus 130 equal to
50. So actually there are two ways to do, okay? So this is the first way, this is the second way. Of course, we can use the last way, which is finding this angle caesar f. Okay, just one is enough. Example 2a. So again, two straight lines. So for this one, these two are given. They are straight lines. So therefore, A and B, they are the same. And then these two add together equal to 180. Also, these two add together equal to 180. So first one, find A and B. So the straight line PQ to find A first equal to 180. So adjacent angles on straight line. So A is 60. B actually is better for us to use vertically opposite angles. Next, you need to pair carefully. Okay, this word. Reflex angled POR. I use red. Reflex, this word, please put a star. So POR is here, angle. So reflex actually is talking about this one. So therefore, part B, reflex angle POR. So which is 360 is angles at a point. All right, B and reflex angle POR add together equal to 360. So that means you simply minus. Okay, we minus.
so which is 300.
So last one. Okay, here, refer to the figures, find x. Some lines, but they are not given that they are straight lines. So it seems like A, C are straight, but we can't see it in part A. And you can see inside of it, for part B, you ask to prove whether this one is a straight line. So that means for part A, we can't use adjacent angle on straight line. This one we can't use it. We can't use it because you're not given straight line. Okay, all right. So therefore, there are 4 angles add together. So that means part A, we should use angles at a part. So 3x plus 86 plus 130 equal to 360-degree angles at a point.
So 3x equal to 360 minus, so we should add these two together. It should be 216. So 3x equal to 144. So x is 48 degrees.
After we finish part A, actually for part B, we should make use of our answer in part A to help us. So let's see, OC is here. That means straight line AC. Here, 130 per x, 2x plus 86. That means we should check whether this add together equal to 180 or not. If yes, therefore AC is straight line. So how about this pair? Can we use it? Of course, okay. That means we use either way. We check this or this. Okay? So for me, I will choose this one because it's obvious. 130 plus 48 is not equal to 180. Alright, so first of all, we need to say out the angle that we want to find. The angle, this one, angle AOC. Alright, angle AOC. So, and I use the left part. 130 plus x equal to 130.
That means I can put this to here plus 48. Okay, so this answer put to here. So answer 178.
So of course it equal to 180. So bear in mind we need to write it out in order for us to prove. So therefore, okay, this one is crucial. Therefore, OC is straight line. Alright, that's it. So please finish the classwork. Okay, today.